Hello students, today I will teach about calculation of median when the data given is simple frequency distribution. In this data, we know that there is a value of x and related frequency is given. So first step for calculation of median is arrange x in ascending order. Next step is calculate less CF. Next step is calculate less CF. CF is a cumulative frequency. Then we have to find n plus 1 divided by 2, or sometime they ask you about the quartile, decile and that. So at the percentile, at that time we have to calculate the required value. When we get the required value or the n plus 1 divided by 2 value, then we have to check whether that value is greater or equal to CF. Means we have to check from column for the values which is exactly equal to we have to check from column of CF the value which matches with our obtained value or just greater than the obtained values, and that corresponding value is your median. So now I will write one example. Obtain median and D3 for the following data. I will not write the whole sentence. Then the data given is marks and number of students. Now what are the marks? Marks are 20, then 9, then 25, 50, 80 and 40. Related number of students are 6, 4, 16, 7, 2 and 8. Now we have to write this data into tabular format first. We will arrange these marks into ascending order. So marks, that is in X, we have to write it into ascending order. So I will write 9 first, then 20, then 25, 40, 50 and 80. Now I will write the frequency F, that is number of student, then 4, 6, 16, 8, 7 and 2. Now less CF. I have taught you how to calculate the less CF. First, for calculation of less CF, I will check how many students got mark less than 9, that are the 4. Then next, how many students got marks less than 20, that is 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Less than 25, that is 10 plus 16 is equal to 26. Less than 40, that is 26 plus 8 is equal to 34. Less than 50, that is 34 plus 7 is equal to 41. And less than 80, 41 plus 2 is equal to 43. Now I have to add this whole frequency to get value of n, and it is equal to 43. Now we have n, that is 43. So calculation of median ME is given by the formula value of n plus 1 divided by 2th item, that is equal to value of 43 plus 1 divided by 2th item, that is equal to value of 44 divided by item, that is equal to value of 22nd item. So I have got this number 22. I will check from the above table whether any CF matches with 22? No. There is no CF which is exactly equal to 22. So now I will check for the value of CF just greater than 22. So just greater than 22 is 26. So now I will write the CF just greater than 22 is 26. So corresponding value with this 26 is, again look into the table, corresponding value with this 26 is 25. So, and the corresponding value of marks is 25. So median ME is equal to 25 marks. This is our answer, but our question is not yet completed. We have to calculate D7. We have to calculate D7. To calculate D7, D7 is equal to value of 7 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 10. Now I have wrote divide by 10 because we are calculating decile. Decile means it's a decimal, comes from decimal, that is a 10 parts. So we are going to divide the whole data into the 10 parts. So we have written here 10th item. That is equal to value of 7 multiplied by 44 divided by 10th item. That is equal to value of 7 multiplied by 4.4 item. That is equal to value of 33.8 item. So CF just greater than or equal to 30.8 is, now again we have to look into the table, that is 34, and corresponding value of marks is 40. So D7 is 40 marks. So here our example is completed. Our median is 25 marks and D7 is 40 marks. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my channel.